Hello friends, I have come back with some examples of questions on logarithmic functions. Let us start the fun. Look here, I told you few minutes back that you need to have knowledge of polynomials. Now I have taken one example, and this example is how to find the zeros of the polynomial. And you will be just laughing that it is a 10th class question, but it is being used in solving the logarithmic functions also. So how it has to be done up? Now y equal to fx is equal to y, and that is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. It means y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now let us split. Now this y, put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 is x-axis, you know. On x-axis y is 0. And y is also equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. And we have put it equal to 0. Now let us put equal to 0. Factorize it. You get the factors x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. Now let us draw the graph and we will find the solution. Solution although before, it is before you. अगर कोई बच्चा ये कहता है सर ये zeros कहाँ पे होती है, झलक दिखला जा, तो let us see where the zeros are situated. I am taking you to this कर्व. देखिए 2 डिग्री का कर्व है, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2. इट इज 2 डिग्री. 2 डिग्री कर्व्स आर बेसिकली पार्ट्स ऑफ द कॉनिक सेक्शन. गाजर मूली के हिस्से हैं. इफ यू कट कैरेट this, then you find these type of curves appear at different angles. Now look here. This is parabolic function. So whenever 2 degree comes, it means conic section has come. And this type of curve is balle balle curve. When Punjabis are dancing, then it is balle balle. So this curve is of that shape only. Now it is cutting the x-axis. You see y equal to 0. Look here, we had taken y equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Y equal to 0, I told you, is x-axis. Look here, this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So you have to draw, you need one x-axis and other is the curve. 2 degree curve means parabolic curve is here. It is cutting, intersecting the x-axis at 1 and 2. These are called zeros of the polynomial. These are known as zeros of the polynomial. So it was basically the curve was y equal to this. We have put equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x-axis. So this is equal to 0 means there are 2 zeros. These 2 zeros are the points of intersection of this balle balle curve, parabolic curve. It is cutting at 1 and 2, intersecting at 1 and 2. So these are the zeros. Now same technique we shall be adopting in solving the questions on logarithmic functions also. Now look here, I have taken 3 examples. Example number 1. Example number 1 is, find the number of solutions of 2x minus 3 within the brackets dot 2 raised to x equal to 1. Now these are 2 curves. Take 2 raised to x on the other side. it is 2x minus 3 is equal to this. Now put it, this is a function. Now put equal to y. Y is equal to 2x minus 3, y equal to 2 raised to power minus x, as I did in the previous case when I was telling you what the polynomials are. So y equal to 2x minus 3 is a linear equation. It means the graph will be a line. Look here, I have made this. The graph will be the line. This is the line. This is the line, 2x minus 3. Y equal to 2x minus 3, right? Now, other curve is y equal to 2 raised to power minus x. It is exponential function and the curve is like this, you know. I have already told you, this curve is intersecting this line at one point. So the number of solutions will be 1. Very simple. आपको दो कर्व बनानी पड़ेंगी जहाँ पे वो इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. Those are the number of solutions. अगर मान लो 4 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, there will be 4 solutions. अगर 2 पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, there will be 2 solutions. Now let us go to example number 2. Look here. This is log base is 2 x plus 5 is equal to 6 minus x. Now we can convert this. There is a conversion formula. 7 बनता है जिसमें, look here, 2 raised to power x minus 6 minus x is equal to x plus 5. ये बेस है, ये पावर है. बेस की पावर 2 की पावर 6 माइनस एक्स. ये एक फंक्शन बन गया. दूसरा है x प्लस 5, ये दूसरा फंक्शन बन गया. सो y इक्वल टू x प्लस 5 एंड y इक्वल टू 2 रेज़्ड टू पावर 6 माइनस एक्स. y इक्वल टू x प्लस 5 इज ए लीनियर इक्वेशन. सो ये लाइन बन गई. दिस इज y इक्वल टू x प्लस 5. And what about this? Y equal to 2 raised to power 6 minus x. This is the curve. It is intersecting at one point. So there will be one solution. So we were to find the number of solutions. So there is one solution. So answer is 1. Now let us go to next example. Example number 3. It is x cube minus log base is 0.5, x equal to 0. Find the number of roots. Now look here, we have to solve this. X cube minus this is equal to 0. Apply the conversion formula. अब ये दोनों जो है y के इक्वल कर दो. Right? This is the polynomial. Put it equal to y. Y equal to 0. Y equal to x cube and log इधर लेके आओ, प्लस का हो जाएगा. Y equal to log. Y equal to log of 0.5 base 0.5 x and y is equal to x cube. अब ये दो कर्व बन गई. इनके ग्राफ बना दो. Look here, y equal to x cube. This type of curve is known as Michael Jackson curve. Same style, Michael Jackson वाला. तो x cube curve याद रखना है. It is a Michael Jackson curve. So it is passing through 0, 0. Now other curve is y is equal to log x. Base is 0.5. This curve will go down. Base is less than 1. So it is cutting at one point, intersecting at one point. So there will be one solution. So with this, the topics of examples on function is over. Thank you very much for viewing my videos on regular basis. I request you to share this with your friends and subscribe them. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.